Welcome to House of Party. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own mosaic balloon number. Now before we continue, I want to make sure to warn you to make sure that all of your numbers are facing the right way before you even start building any of them, or they could turn out backwards like this number one here. Now let me show you your kit. In your kit, you will receive your instruction guide. This is going to be very helpful. Glue dots, tape, and your panels to build your number. Some things that you'll need before making your number: glue gun, extra glue sticks, hand pump, and some balloons. Now that you have all your items, let me show you how to make your number. Step one, you're going to pull out your number, lay it flat on the flat surface. This is going to be your base. I have already glued some of my seams here, and they're already dry. When you glue them down, just put a little bit, let it dry. And once it's dried, you're gonna flip it over and do it on the back side. Flip it back and then work on the other side. Continue the same process, and then we're gonna glue it together to make the 8. Now that your 8 is all together, we want to make sure that all the glue is dry, and now we're going to be working on matching all the pieces around the 8. We're going to grab all of our side panels. Before we put them around our number, we are going to break the seams just like this. This is going to create a more flexible panel around your number. Once your panel is flexible enough to go around your number, you're going to match it up to the number that you have. I have the number 8 here. Match it up. I went ahead and did my other panels. Matching it up to the number before we glue it down. Once we figure out where all of our panels are going, we're going to grab our glue gun and start gluing. Just like that. Now for step 3. In our step 3, we're going to be using our hot glue, and what I'm doing now is I'm putting the glue inside of the gap, and I'm holding it down until it dries up. And then I'm going to be moving against the wall. Now that your number is all glued together, the next step you're going to want to do is you're going to want to grab your glue gun, and we're going to run it around the whole number one more time to make sure that it is extra secure. And any little gaps, like in these little corners here, we're going to add some more glue so it's extra attached. Now that your number is all done, we're going to grab the back of the base, but before we attach it, we are going to add some glue to the back of this seam here and let it dry up, and then we're going to attach it to your number. Now for this step, we are going to attach the back of this base to the back of the number and just push it into the holes here. Now with this, you can also add glue. We're going to repeat this process with this side. can also add glue to this part. And it should stand just right. Now that your number is all done, you're gonna wanna grab your hand pump, start airing up your balloons, grab your glue dots. Once you're ready to attach all your balloons to your number, and with this step, you wanna make sure that all your balloons are a little bit different. That way you can get this type of style here. When you get your glue dots and attach them to your balloon, you get 1 to 2 closer to the neck, attach, pull away gently, and grab and place it in any area. Press and hold, and it should stick just like that. And continue this process until you get your desired design. Thank you for choosing House of Party. We hope this video has been helpful. If you would like to purchase this product, the link is in the description below. We'll see you next time.